Well, it's a piece I've always been really excited by because it has a fantastic story and brilliant music. And after the success of Worst Wedding Ever last year and the way the audience responded to the band in Worst Wedding Ever, I really wanted to find something that would capture the imagination in the same way. It's about a plant that grows and grows and eventually wants to take over the whole world. And so we have these incredible puppets on stage. We have a fantastic cast, brilliant cast of singers with incredible credits to their names, so that will be very exciting. Also some terrific choreography. I think it's a great dance show as well. Some really, really fantastic musical comedy songs alongside all of the Motown doo-wop material which people will know from the film. It's a very different ending in the stage version. I'm not going to say too much because I don't want to give too much away. Tickets are on sale now, available from the ticket office here at the Playhouse, and it opens on Thursday the 23rd of April and runs for 3.5 weeks after that into May.